Hi, good morning. Today we're gonna do some dipping instead of blowing. I got two canvases, 20 by 50 centimeter, and I'm gonna pour the dipping part over one, dip the other one in it, and let's see if we can make two beautiful paintings that will complement each other. So I'm gonna layer this one first with white. And then I'm pouring in the colors. Much different than I thought, because I thought the design will be in the middle. But yeah, of course, when I pull it back. Yeah, it's very clean, a lot of negative space. Very cool, I think. Let's cover the sides with the white. So this turned out beautiful. So clean, a beautiful composition. I really thought it would be in the center, but this is so nice like this. I think I will hang them next to each other vertically. Yeah, it's beautiful. A lot of cells, such vibrant colors, a lot of negative space. That's something I really love. We're gonna do some more dipping in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you later.